Hey everyone, it's Sarah with the Dinner Bell, and I am back with another how-to video. This one is going to be how to order to go. So I'm logged into the website here, and I'm going to hover over the order tab. I'm going to select book to go or carry out. I need to next select the date and time that I would be at the store to pick up my items. This just lets the store know roughly what time I'm going to be there. Now, you don't have to be there directly at 5 or 6 or whichever time you select. That's just so that we know when we have to have that order ready by. So this is going to be for a couple weeks from now, and I've got that day off, so I'll be there around 11. I'm going to confirm my date and time, and you see over here that I have the date and time in my cart. So I'm picking up dinner for Valentine's Day at 11 a.m. So for Valentine's Day dinner, I'm going to select 2 orders of the chicken enchiladas. Add them to my cart and see the confirmation pop up. Now I'm going to view my cart, and I'm going to select pick up at store. Now once you select pick up at store, you see the page kind of moved a little bit. That's just the page refreshing with the selection. So I'm going to pick up at store, and I'm also going to pay at the store. Here's my cart. Now, just because we see the page move like that, some of us may think that it's confirmed or that it's put the order through. It hasn't yet. So be sure to go to the bottom and hit submit order. Now you'll get a confirmation showing that the amount will be collected upon delivery, which means when you go pick it up. If you need to confirm, just go to your account, to your orders, and then you can select the order, and it will tell you that I have 2 orders of enchiladas to go for the 14th at 11, and that I need to pay. So that's that. Hopefully that was a helpful bit of information for you guys. If you have any questions, we're happy to hear from you on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. If you like these videos, please let us know. We'd love to make more. We just need to know what you guys want to see. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.